Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to replace a wheel bearing on your Ram 1500. First, ensure your truck is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. You will need a hydraulic jack stands, a lug wrench, and a socket set. Safety glasses and gloves are also highly recommended. Having the correct replacement wheel bearing and hub assembly is crucial before you begin this repair. To begin disassembly, loosen the lug nuts, then raise your truck with a jack and secure it on jack stands. Remove the wheel completely. Next, unbolt the brake caliper and rotor, carefully hanging the caliper to avoid stressing the brake line. Disconnect the anti-lock braking system wire from its mounting points. Now, remove the large axle nut, often requiring a 36mm socket. Finally, remove the 3 bolts holding the old hub assembly to the steering knuckle. Before installing the new bearing, clean the mounting surface on the steering knuckle with a wire brush. Apply a thin coat of anti-seize to prevent rust and ease future removal. Carefully slide the new wheel bearing and hub assembly into position. Install the 3 retaining bolts, tightening them to 134 foot-pounds. Reinstall the axle nut, torquing it to 185 foot-pounds to secure the hub. Now reconnect the anti-lock braking system wire, ensuring all clips are secure. Reinstall the brake rotor, followed by the caliper assembly. Torque the caliper mounting bolts to 130 foot-pounds. Place the wheel back on the studs and tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 130 foot-pounds. Finally, lower your Ram 1500 to the ground and pump the brake pedal several times to ensure proper brake function before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.